Our attorneys and staff have collectively represented over 1,000 personal injury victims. We know you're dealing with enough as it is, which is why we offer no-fee initial consultations. We never, ever charge any upfront legal fees.
I'm living with a lifelong injury, and if it wasn't for Tom and his staff, I might not have received the medical attention that I get today. Speaking
Personally from a motor vehicle accident, that they are by far the absolute best at what they do.
This firm is 100% professional.
We know that for our clients, a personal injury case can be one of the most stressful things they go through in their lives. That's why we take it upon ourselves to make this process as comfortable and simple as possible. We have an incredibly close team and we work very well together. Our attorneys and staff will collaborate with one another and use their combined experience to help each client's individual case.
It was such complicated evidence to hear, and the way that they presented it to the jury, it made all the difference in the world.
They pursued every option and provided every benefit to myself and my wife.
I'm very satisfied, very satisfied.
Well, Mum was a very strong personality, very hard worker, clean freak. Today as well, you know, if you get a cup and you put it there, no, it's got to be there, you know, type of thing. So she wasn't, and she hasn't lost that part. What she's lost is her ability to do things what she used to be able to do.
Gordon came to me because his mother was very sick in hospital. She'd had a routine procedure that had gone terribly wrong, and he needed answers for her and for the family as to whether she had any legal entitlements. So I helped the family in investigating the matter. I got together the medical records. I initially got an independent opinion on whether the procedure itself was done negligently. We got support for that, and so the next issue in the case was what that had caused. And sadly for Gordon's mum, she had gone on to suffer a stroke.
All her right hand side was paralysed, leg, arm and speech.
At Advice Line Injury Lawyers, we've been helping injured people in these cases for over 30 years. So we have a pool of doctors that we can go to get an independent and reliable opinion as to whether there has been negligent or unreasonable care provided.
Yeah, she was professional, but also too understanding and caring towards Mum.
It's really important that the lawyer understands what the client is going through, and that's part of the reason why we really like to have continuity with the same lawyer seeing the client from the beginning of the case to the end, because the lawyer has to understand what the client is suffering, the impact it's having upon their life, and so by knowing the client really well, we can understand what they're going through and really help get them the best result at the end of the day.
They were so good because they got you involved as well. It wasn't just the lawyers. If you understood the QC and Andrea herself, they actually ran through everything with you. They advised you, well, this is a scenario, Gordon.
We were able to resolve the case at mediation without the stress of having to go to court, and that was a really good outcome for the family. It meant that the client was able to have money that would allow for her to be cared for in a nursing home, with extra facilities and services being provided for her in the nursing home. And it also meant that she got compensation for her pain and suffering. She'd gone through a lot. Her life had really been turned upside down by this, and it will never be the same again. So as best money can, we aim to get her a result that would make life easier for her and her family.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Because it's not going to bring Mum back, to the way she is. But at least we got what we achieved, you know, to set out to achieve, and what we got, yeah.
But as you can see, the heavier rain is to the south, and it looks like it's expected to stay down there. As we take a look at our satellite radar loop, you can see the heavier rain to the south and the east, kind of moving off the coast and kind of flipping Long Island. We don't think we'll see the heavier rain towards Long Island, but we do think about an inch or so of precipitation will fall.
How will I handle this? I have no money, no income. How will my future medical bills be paid? Who will care for me? What if I need surgery or therapy? What am I going to do?
I am passionate about our firm's mission. We help people who have been injured by the wrongdoing and negligence of others, get justice. We understand. We can help you. Please call us today for your free consultation.
Oliver and Schwartz, how may we help you?
Hello? Yes. I need help. Please. I really need help.
Don't worry, ma'am. We are here to help you. Everything is going to be okay. We will take care of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We understand that the injury has brought dark days, and we can't brighten those days immediately. You need to mend, you need to heal. But Oliveri and Schwartz will seek civil justice for your injury, for the wrong that was done to you. And as that civil justice is achieved, some measure of hope, some measure of a full life will be restored.
Oliveri and Schwartz were there for me when I needed them the most. Do I recommend them? I definitely recommend them. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
Every day, thousands of Americans are injured in car accidents. When you've been injured in a wreck, you need a dedicated personal injury attorney fighting to protect you from the insurance companies and the lawyers working for the other side. At Max Injury Lawyers, we put our knowledge and experience to work for you, fighting to obtain the maximum award possible for you. Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm not an attorney, but I'm here today to tell you about Max Injury Lawyers and make sure you get the help you need and the money you deserve. When you hire a Max Injury Lawyer, you pay no upfront fees. Our lawyers are only paid if you win, so you can be confident that our lawyers will go the distance for you. Our national network of lawyers has handled all types of car accident and personal injury cases for drivers, passengers, and pedestrians, people just like you. Our lawyers are available 24 hours a day to speak to you about your case and what the next steps should be and how we can help. We never charge you for a consultation, and we can have a lawyer speaking with you within minutes of you picking up your phone and calling us. With Max Injury Lawyers, we know we are fighting to get you one thing, the max. Call us now.